Hi, my dear students. Very happy to meet you once again in this session. I would like to share a few points about good manners. The basic good manners are ask, please, and say thank you. Say please when asking and say thank you when you are receiving. The next thing is give respect to your parents, elders, and others. Obey their words. If you have done something wrongly, say sorry. Listen and don't interrupt when your parents or elders are speaking. The next thing is having guests in your home. Open the door for others and greet people with a smile. Make eye contact when greeting someone. Offer to serve people who enter your home. Facilitate them with a seat. Stand up when elders enter into your house. Don't forget to introduce people in your home to visiting guests. Can you all follow this, children? Yes. Then next, we are going to do one interesting activity. You all ready with this? Yes. Let me start.
Children, now we are going to do one activity, breathe in and breathe out. It is one of the yoga that is called pranayam. If I tell breathe in, you have to take deep breath, inhale air through your nose. And if I tell breathe out, open your mouth and exhale air slowly and make a ha sound. By doing this yoga, it strengthens the respiratory system. It boosts our immune system and it can purifying and cleansing our body and mind. So do this yoga regularly because nowadays immunity is very important. For this, you want to sit like how this boy sat. Fold your legs and stretch your hands. Then slowly close your eyes for breathing. Let's fill our bellies like a big balloon. For breathe out, let's slowly let the air out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Now slowly open your eyes and relax yourself. Children, in the last session, we have completed up to Roman letter 2. In this session, we are going to write Roman letter 3. First, you want to write today's date. Today's date is 2/7/2020. Then put the Roman letter 3. Solve the following. And after that, leave one line and start the first one. The first question is arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Each word you want to leave one finger space. Then after that leave one line and write the given numbers. There are 5 numbers are given: 101, 141, 99, 500 and 300. The question is, we want to arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. First, we are going to do the ascending order. Ascending order means what, children? we want to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Let we do, children? Yes, in this we are going to apply the rule. The first rule is we want to count the number of digits. Let we count 101 3 digits, 141 3 digits, 9999 2 digits, 500 3 digits and 300 also having 3 digits. So in this 99 is the smallest number because it is a 2-digit number. So 99 you want to write at the first place. Then after that 4 numbers are left. All the 4 numbers are 3-digit numbers. Same number of digits. So we want to apply the second rule. The second rule is we want to see the leftmost digit which is at the hundreds place. In 101, 1 is at the hundreds place. 141, 1 is at the hundreds place. 500, 5 is at the hundreds place. And in 300, 3 is at the hundreds place. So from this 4 digits, which one is the smallest? 1, 5 or 3? Yes, 1 is the smallest, but we have two number of ones. 101 also having 1 and 141 also having 1. So in this we want to compare the digit which is at the tens place. So in 101, 0 is at the tens place, and in 141, 4 is at the tens place. From the 0 and 4, which one is the smallest? Yes, 0 is the smallest. So that will come at the second place. So in the second position, we want to write 101. Then after that, you write 141 at the third place. Then remaining two numbers are left, 500 and 300. So in this we want to see the digit at the hundreds place. 5 in 500 and 3 in 300. From this two number 5 and 3, which one is the smallest, 5 or 3? Yes, 3 is the smallest number. So in the fourth place we want to write 300. Then the remaining only one number are left, that is 500. So that will come at the last place. So we arranged the numbers from smallest to greatest. 99, 101, 141, 300 and 500. Then after that leave one line and write the descending order. Descending order means what? The reverse form of ascending order. In this you are going to arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Okay children. In this also the first rule is count the number of digits. Yes, one number only having 2 digits, that is the smallest number. So it will come at the last only. So we focus on to the 3-digit numbers. 4 3-digit numbers are there. Yes, right? 101, 100, 500 and 300. So we want to compare the hundreds digit. 1 in 101, 1 in 141, 5 in 500 and 3 in 300. In this we want to focus only on the biggest number. So which one is the biggest? Yes, 5 is the biggest. So 500 will come at the first place. Then remaining 3 3-digit numbers are there. Yes, 1 and 3. From this, which one is the biggest, 1 or 3? Yes, 3 is the biggest. So it will come at the second place. Then remaining 2 3-digit numbers are left, 101 and 141. In this, 100 place are same. So we want to focus on the tens place. So 0 in 101 and 4 in 141. Which one is the biggest, 0 or 4? Yes, 4 is the biggest. So 141 will come at the third place. Then remaining one 3-digit number is 101, that will come at the fourth place. Then the last number, smallest, is 2-digit number, that will come at the last. So now the numbers are arranged in descending order also. Next, take the next page. Second question, write the number name. For the given number, we are going to write the number name. In this first one, see the number 1000, that is 1000. So, we are going to write the number name for 1000. The spelling for 1 is O-N-E, 1. Then 1000, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, 1000. 1000. Then see the second number 273. For that we want to write the number name. The spelling for 2 is T-W-O-2. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. 70. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 73. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then the third number is 405. 4, F-O-U-R, 4. 100, H-U-N-D, red, R-E-D, red. 405, F-I-V-E, 5. After that, leave one line and write the third one. Listen the third question. Which number comes in between 998 and 1000? Which number comes in between 998 and 1000? What number will come, children, after 998? Yes, 999. That is the answer. Don't forget to finger space on each word. Okay, children? Each word you leave one finger space. Next, we move on to the homework part.
Children, take page number 74 in your book. Fill in the missing numbers. Okay, children, now we are going to fill the missing numbers from 401 to 500. Okay, children, let's see the first row. 401, 401. Next, what number will come? 402, 402. Next, 403, 403. 404, 404. 405, 405. 406, 406. 407, 407. 408, 408. 409, 409. 410, 410. Likewise, you complete up to 500. Then see the exercise 2. First question is write the numbers just before and just after. Let's see the first one. 341. For this number, we are going to write the before number and after number. Okay, children? So, let's write the before number of 341. So, 3, 4. Before 1, what will come, children? Yes, 0. So, 340. Next, write the after number of 341. So, write 3, 4. After 1, what will come? 2. 342. Likewise, you complete this 2 sums. Okay. Next, write the number in between. Now we are going to write the between number. What will come in between 237 and 239? Let's write the between number. 2, 3. After 7, what will come? 8. So 238. Likewise, you complete this 2 sums. Okay, children. Next, see the third one. Write the number represented by the grid. Okay, here some grids are given. From that, we are going to find out the number. Okay, children. This grid having how many boxes? Yes, 100. If you count means in this 100 boxes are there. So, write 1. Okay, children, this is 100. Then another one grid is there. Yes, this also 100. Okay, children, totally how many hundreds are here? 2 hundreds are here. Okay, children, any tens are here? No. No tens are here. See this, children, tens are like this, each having 10 boxes. This only tens. In this, any tens are here? No tens. Only ones are here. Yes. How many ones are here? Let's we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many ones are here? 8 ones are here. Okay, children, then what number will come? 200s and 8 ones. So the number is 208. 208. 208. Okay, children. Children, take page number 75 in your book. Okay, in this also fill in the missing numbers. 501, 501, 502, 502, 503, 503, next 504, 504, 505, 505, 506, 506, 507, 507, 508, 508, 509, 509, next 510, 510. Okay, children, next see this one. 601, 601, next 602, 602, 603, 603, 604, 604, 605, 605, 606, 606, 607, 607, 608, 608, 609, 609, next 610, 610. Likewise, you want to complete all these boxes. Okay, children?
This is your answer key. After completing this exercise, check your answers here. This is the answer key for the numbers from 501 to 700. Let's check your answers. Those who are completed and uploaded the Monday homework, really good children. Clap yourself. Thank you.